Hi friends, this is ExcelGuru Rajinikanth and this query by one of our friend in WhatsApp asked to find the missing numbers in a sequence, in a serial or sequence, whatever it may be. So here I'm going to share a screen. There I will explain you what is actually the query about. See, here is some data is there. Okay, here some data is there. So he's having such type of data where some numbers are missing. Okay. Some serial numbers are missing. We have to find the serial numbers. What are the missing numbers are there in a serial numbers? Suppose if I enter any number, see what will happen here. See what I'll do here. I will make it uh 6. Okay. So here 6 will disappear and it will replace with the 5 over here in this place. Observe here, when I enter 6 here, it will appear as a 5 in place of 6. Done. So here I'm going to show you the solution now. So first of all, what I'll do here, a row of indirect min of, because we doesn't know where the serial number starts. First thing. Okay. Maybe it starts from 2, 7, 10. We doesn't know. Okay. For that reason, we have to use min function. So pick up the min function from the series. Okay. Still where you want. See what I'll do. Still where you want min. What I'll do. I will do like this and use a max function. So I'm telling the function to pick up minimum to maximum serial numbers. Okay. Here it is. So what it will do, it will pick up from 1 to 20. Okay, 1 to 20. See, F9. I'll copy this function. I need this function. Control C. See, F9. So it will pick up from 1 to 20 automatically. Okay. If the serial number starts from 2, 3, 4, 10, it will start from 4 to 20, 5 to 20, 5 to 30, like that. For that reason, I have taken min and max because we doesn't know from where it starts and where it ends. For that reason. So what I'll do, I use a match function. Match of this whole thing, comma, pick up the series. So here what will happen means, here it will check the position of wherever it finds the number. Wherever it finds the particular number in a series, it will pick up the position and remaining it will show you the NA, not available, F9. See, wherever it finds the number, it will pick up that position. Okay, that position. So 1, 2, 3, all are there. See, okay. So we are interested in NAs, not in numbers. For that reason, what you have to do means is NA, is NA. If you find any NA, pick up those NAs and show me the true. Remaining should be false because we are interested in missing numbers where in the series. For that reason, I have used is NA. It's a logical. Oh, again I have to type. Let's see. Again I have to type. Sorry, guys. I have pressed something wrong. Okay, row of indirect min of this series F4. It is an array function. You have to use Control Shift Enter for this. Ampersand max of this F4. Again F4. Okay. Here it's the same formula because it was placed by some other key. For that it's gone everything. So I'm retyping the formula once again, comma 0. is NA. Here is NA. If you find NA, pick up that NA as a true and remaining are all falses. Just now I have shown. Okay. So what I'll do, if you find any true, I mean the missing numbers as a true, if you find anything, so give me this one. Okay. The same formula which I copied earlier. Okay. Close parenthesis. So F9. So wherever NA is there, it is pick upping those numbers from there. Understood? I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Wherever NA is there, it is pick upping that numbers, that position of numbers. That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. So what I'll do, I use a small function, small, and K part, if I type 1, it will pick up the first smallest, F9, 2. If I type 10, it will pick up the 10th smallest. So I don't want like that. I want to, whenever I drag this formula from starting to ending, so it has to pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For that reason, I use the rows function, the E dollar. I'm locking the row. Okay, I'm locking the row. E dollar 3 colon E3. Close parenthesis. That's it. Enter. Okay, I'm dragging this formula still here. Control T. See. What are the missing numbers? You can see here. 2 is not there, 3 is not there, 4 is not there, 5 is not there, 6 is there. So what I'll do here, I'll replace with 8 or 7. So in place of 7, it will become 9. 8, 9. 8 and 9. Here, 8 and 9. 5, 8, 9. But it will miss here 7. Okay, because already it was there in a series. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. And if you have more, it's an array function, Excel 2010 function. You have to use Control, Shift, and Enter. After entering the formula, then only it will work. If you want to remove the error, it's very easy by using if error function. If it's a large data, then you have to use another one. Okay. With large data, you have to use another one, not this one. Because if you will use if error for a large data, then it will take long time. It may be stuck in file. Okay. So you have to count how many are missing are there. I'll show in the another one. Okay. If you want, I'll show here also. That's not a big matter. See what I'll do here. F2. I'll pick up this only logical test. Control C. Escape is equal to Control V. Okay. I convert true as a numbers by using double negative. F9. So it will pick up those true as a 1 and false as a 0. Then I will use some product or some whatever it may be. It will work. Okay, this one, 14. Totally 14 numbers are missing. So what I'll do here, F2, in place of if error, I'm removing if error. See, observe clearly what I'm doing here. If rows of E dollar 3 colon E3 is greater than 14. If it is greater than 14, F4, comma. If it is greater than 14 rows, then give me the blank. I'll run this formula. If it is a large data, you have to use this one. If it is short data, you can, whatever it may. As per your convenience, you can use whatever the function you need. For if error, large data will automatically stuck. It will take some huge time to calculate. For that reason, sorry guys, still here I'm doing again, Control D. The same function, but it will work very fast. Okay, it will work very fast. This is the difference between if error and if rows. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.